And then Crawford yes and Chelsea bet match PSG. Chelsea, you will never be a while. And it's a challenge on a clear as a Gina Chelsea so no monsieur. Na bona PSG bono when you fra anti Chelsea near Diano.
No, what is your expectation? What is your expectation?
Great game, I'm looking forward to it. I expect high quality football.
Okay, prediction, your prediction.
Well, it looks like a win for PSG. Thank you.
Into Chelsea as a PSG, I'm about Bawumia than a topic for discussion. After say Bawumia, I predict a win for PSG. Don't for just there be Bawumia a bad luck. Bawumia containing home and your home pa and Bawumia so and a PSG. LUCA to Chelsea. We don't say the almost Bawumia boss. I don't know. Code Micky account be Code Micky so as my ship. It was the Java Montano. And 7 cost I Penyah block me. And that's what I said. Obey like a video, no, that my subscribe button, and some like a keep on notification for updates. Now, better why doing their mommy, or comments, as much as all about one. Not you know, for any be accurate. It is a FIFA Club World Cup, air course, I say, Omabo tournament now, Eddie Aberia and Ra. Our final errors between PSG and Chelsea. And over tournaments, air course now. Now, PSG, agent and also ye, our form. But PSG, team, top teams. A team like Inter Milan, Emma Uchana Femfnam, Real Madrid. What does it? Or ye the definitely record or ye the definitely go good team no condemn. And a copa PSG and Chelsea. No, PSG in fact about 98% of this world population. No be a casting a bet for PSG bit marine over Chelsea go Chelsea there. A busy a man team, a easy set PSG ever Emma could make a gas massa, Mamma could cabet in an easy win. PSG over Rene, who quite Chelsea, what to the attraction.
And then Crawford yes and Chelsea bet match PSG. Chelsea, you will never be a while. And it's a challenge on a clear as a Gina Chelsea so no monsieur. Na bona PSG bono when you fra anti Chelsea near Diano. Chelsea in history near Masana. Where bola PSG bo or ye Inter Huajuma, Bayern Munich or Huajuma, where Real Madrid anti Chelsea bet match Real Madrid. And Inter no on show keke o sa be shene bufu be disgrace no coach no defenders nyina kwedo de Rudiger ti epon ni mo bie nyame ama ye chance yen sa destiny sanadwi 7 o'clock be na etuem ena sika no so osoro kakra the first half no wait my ball first half first goal first half second goal Inter PSG bon first two and na second half no sa 2 about count. The Chelsea had a difference of 4 years. Chelsea coach, you know, or opportunity be sent with my escape match, you can escape. But baby, I do not banisa. Or more FIFA bet my sanction team. I'm be fine you. Yes, or call not every or map a strategy to reduce the number of goals, but not to go for victory. It's not possible. It's not no because talk kube na kube guy be call me so your video be na PSG be Chelsea be shock you ase Chelsea be and then na Chelsea be shock you ase and then na Chelsea I had to say oba wa so a ogina shawo lie tedua bia wa bi na oba entu die ni mo du se den a entumi damage no ana obi a wa ye no se ono na ne ho odene ukọ prisoner macho men strong forces go oh yeah, Bema, Oko prisoner, Bema Sino. The Chelsea running now down, Esha Fluminense, Esha Alu teams be say what Tian or Besile anymore. And number the Jono. I said on the other side, who the it's not about so who are Dennis Animal. The flair, the mind, football, no baby, it's not all about who are doing. A Jenny, where PSG midfield ho. The Nadia, it's the Dean. Most start here, I'm expecting at least first half maybe 2 goals be, na second 2 goals be, and I make 20 chabone. But I take fashion on say PSG lose there, and any highway no so na empire bedwa. Which is I don't even expect that. I don't expect that. Ghana, we know. Maybe a video be sa na a Black Stars ne. I think Niger African Cup qualifiers no. And I'm yes baby I do not set it. Obi anko twama Niger. E ma nipa be ye dede sa abo kakra no mo twa ne di o mo disc no. We so yi ne ho sa banker. Ni mi lotto mo we ye banker yi ne ho. And a PSG no way match fixing him because Club World Cup no sika e da so no. The PSG no do make as a match fixing as a be bum. Ti ayi ne ho. Wo dwetire no way ye wo nyina e ne fa fast ye. Ko build o destiny ko adwuma no e mo den nti ayi ne ho se ya na se ye fa won e de no mo show straight.
Emma TikTok is this ebe obeka say oh Chelsea there omunye omun forget because some person when there na mon ko fa challenge soccer sinimle mu nyesa pa dia mon fa kentem na emerge goal scores ye be sham by 10-0
dia just Chelsea for mo fa challenge soccer for mo me match no cause na ntwe kura we tana mo anoa entwe a jumping fish how much you anoa there be Chelsea team nyeti me beti man share PSG de biarada ye bu na ma so koto we break meat you say crab we breaking meat you bu na ma so koto never see the best way is mo go for challenge soccer for na say I want the body na you never to no na say omo show more goals ma nya sa dia na mo de mo players mo ko body ya Nicolas Jackson mo ne za ze kuguelo ze yi Palma mo ko body ya ye be se mo do tip of it
Emma we from say oh PSG say Chelsea part mi share PSG a obebo no naked e what TikTok content so
me bo naked me say me bo naked say Chelsea e share PSG a na Chelsea share PSG ya say bo nka no kre apu Nicolas Jackson ebe se hwan rade me say Chelsea e share PSG a me bo naked. There's a saying that when the circular mind say give you something, look at the personality. Yes, it's a quarter kobe ba want to mat ye Chelsea ebe se PSG no mo nya mo ne nkwa na bo match no say be final. Team papa be na Chelsea ni na bo e wo FIFA CLUB World Cup ni nka ba ko kire me Fluminense ba ko so dey December se me Melody Sundowns so wan na wo show mo na wo si mi team ye hwe be bia PSG free ba wa bo Bayern Obo Madrid ATM obi any one so aye 1-1 and say yi o obe show 4 obe show 5 na mo mujina bi die mu ka kire me say mo be PSG over my dead body and of my soul papa it won't even happen of the situation. What are you people talking about the situation? Chelsea be PSG me say Chelsea is PSG me bo naked about TikTok live e kurase
Emma me who say sports Obama Sadiq Adams and so any lady be also I want to show us a clash and not supposed to be my echoes oh Chelsea ebe rene lady ne sit that here PSG ebe rene na Chelsea party oh Chelsea me share PSG that emomu di sika kura etoso obi ad ne salary etoso
yetiase
ha he mom fa bibi ntoso se Chelsea ebe share PSG
how oba any possible
me say bibia ni wiase a enye possible Chelsea just dey wo Chelsea betimi a share PSG
we die me de salary crab to so me de salary to so ba
me so me de to so
se PSG tina ho ma Chelsea show ma
o de na say
se kokotin le my God no go to doctor the PSG tina ma Chelsea passion de dia
there is so de better so
okay
me de me hu ne say Chelsea betimi a share mo football de empe kura no never
insida
nti wo de to so wo de full salary ne to so
full salary to so
me de me so me de to so
okay
nti say
Monday eba
ka say me hu de no because say yentimi mfa
be and Tacha wenya 100 over there
dabi I say fair wuntimi mfa bia wo de no so chemia e besisi o nti na membe se mesisi nti mame hu de me de to so anti wo de na to so amedi equal of de na to so pacho nyankopo we pade we de enye chacha pache ye dawe no wo ne to no enye chacha ya pache ye uja fo we de wabu fo show by so anopa ya agroni edi o ma enye chacha
later and who say Bawumia so adding the submission on that now Bawumia ekwohwe ball ni bi ewo Accra Mall e ho no before say match no be sha say na ja bloggers ni be 360 deck the 360 ebusa Bawumia oh doc ball you waba na ohwe a ebe kwose and Bawumia ka oh ball no dey obi dey say easy win for PSG Bawumia can see no at the comment section. And I'm on focus a Debbie. Say Bawumia pa can say PSG ever in the Bawumia no. Bawumia no help in Bukwa and who say town. Is a Bawumia pa can say PSG in everybody any. I didn't better automatically a Chelsea win. It's then you be Uncle Chama Chelsea. Oh, be Uncle Chama Chelsea because Bawumia will keep in quite dear. Chelsea very rare. Asa goro asa blows and born question so. First half, not Chelsea LED. Let me first start to Bawumia. Chelsea abogo ni bia kan o le flat at Bawumia na Chelsea abogo ni ba kwa kan ho Emma at the end of the day no ekoye 3-0 against PSG. Na when buy no and then one was Bawumia say you can say Bawumia there you can chire mo e say Bawumia obeka bi Bawumia beka say PSG papa we ne there Bawumia bad luck Bawumia beka bi no nko ade Chelsea be we ne you can chire mo you can that say tell me what say Bawumia pa o beka say PSG be we ne or no that in bad luck abefra PSG e mo ma lose go bi e say boy de naka e PSG win like a PSG when Obi and board a PSG, but I'm over just said Bawumia a ball match. Said I would know if you are prediction or said PSG very because of the one who Sumaya paints. And we have been a Bawumia has with my prediction. It is Munya Bawumia.
I don't go. I'm sure Bawumia compared say PSG ever winning Chelsea are winning.
Chelsea winning. I didn't
first half more winning. Don't drag
Omo dragging.
Social media.
Oh, there.
So
na say football here. You choose a side and I'm one. Also so say PSG ebe winning. Na say a ball game ni we ya. Ade na ebe jubilate ya dragging. And na me kra ma be mu ebu.
Ade, but I'm going to compare politics.
I'm they compare politics. You know, sometimes I think we need to take a break. Football and politics, come on. Football is the only thing both sides, whether MPP or NDC, you find both sides supporting one team. And I think sometimes let's look at the fun of things and not always politicize things. Because the politics is getting emotional and it's getting divisive. So at best, let's just focus on the game. I think Chelsea are surprising me. Okay. Now I'm say PSG United and can my say hey United and go here
George almost papa Bawumia oba no say PSG ebe winning it looks like PSG they winning and Chelsea are saying no more dragging on
I mean people should understand him or a Tottenham fan automatically you go against Chelsea.
Okay.
You know that Tottenham for only Chelsea for any year.
Okay.
You know a Tottenham fan you automatically you go against.
But the brace the politics they really say we are now we are.
We're generating trend another one.
Our trend baby I say. Obi akasa so.
Bawumia is the guy.
But can was I'm say politics were lazy and I will so or not to be a man lazy.
Oh I know the on the boys there kakra be on better propaganda near the end. It's just for fun. I mean, say or no better ball. It has nothing to do with Chelsea will lose or PSG will win. You know, it's just for fun. He loves football. And Obi will need be as a football fan, strong Tottenham fan. You know, I'm not sure say because of our predictive. It's normal. It's normal. Let's generate a conversation. I'm going to trend dynamic one. Number one.
But Code Micky said today, when you tipaye pa PSG.
Hey Chelsea, my head inside. Me too much is Charlie, this world no be easy place. I swear, the world we dey inside nobody go fit explain what will happen tomorrow morning. Because how PSG will not be anything. PSG, Doué, Dembele, Hakimi, Nuno Mendes, the best Nuno Mendes. And Chelsea has given them 3 goals first half. 3, it is over, and I must apologize to Chelsea now. I'll not wait till the 90 minutes. I need to apologize now. Charlie, I dey watch the ball. My eyes, it do me like, be the PSG or no. Life, we are dealing with wicked principalities, demonic vampires who are ruling and fighting against our breakthrough. It's a very strange game. This is the PSG that scored Bayern Munich. This PSG gave Inter Milan 4. They disciplined Real Madrid. Why now? Have I done something wrong? Have I done something against association football? So why now? Charlie, my head inside, my head. They do 1. I say, oh, things will change. 2. They've made it 3 first half. And they are not showing any signs that they can even get a goal. This is not the PSG I know. This is not the PSG that I know. This is not a midfield that I know. Louis Enrique, what is the problem? Chelsea. Hey, Charlie, Chelsea have developed a soft spot for Chelsea. This coming season, Chelsea bless the team. They've disgraced me, Chelsea. They've taught me a lesson. I will never trust anybody on this planet again. I will not trust any team. PSG, why today, PSG? Why now? Why this crucial moment? This is finals. Why will you push me to the wall and leave me there to suffer, PSG? Why now? Nyema ura game papa. Because now we mo demo fala. Fool. Hey. I apologize.
I apologize now. I'm doing it before the 90 minutes. No amount of comeback can change the scoreline. I predicted 4 for PSG. 2 in first half, 2 in second half. But Chelsea has given me a new reason. A new reason not to believe in anything on this planet except the Maker. Give my life to God. I will walk with God and not things and man. Swear PSG. This next season, PSG. You are going to toe this line. Hey, then they go square. You are going to toe PSG. Why now? We gave you our all. Spiritually, physically, we gave it to you, PSG. So why today? Why now? Chelsea. Blue is the color. Blue, 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 blue. Chelsea. Ni deni pa na mede timo mede yene sana. Ni ma enyu no metiri wono the chest Chelsea. Emu game and na me ye video na ni pa chiro chale code. Se bibi saw video ni mu. Se como sa question se external power bi saw video ni mu se bien and see sao. And you be akwa na say ni pa ya de be to abonte e ke kanesa because me say we are dealing with wicked demons, poisonous principalities. Mom say a honor bring no more soon because ban is in a chair. You not even 1, not 2, 3 vessels. Why? How on earth? How? Almost at the second half now, maybe. But me who go Pama. Pama, I said, why, be be running more or bobo on an air bar. I said, be a big dear Pama. I said, be a big guy named Ko Pama. He's playing more than Lamine Yamal. More than the Dembele, claiming to be the best player, Dembele. You are in the game. Vitinha, you are all in the game. So what is happening? Luis Enrique, I call it a master tactician, but today it is zero. Nothing.
Yeah, you have a comment section. How you Penyah Media.